Hey everyone, it is Sports Cards here, back from another break. Today, going to be opening a box of 2018 Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. This was available through the Topps website. They were $200 plus shipping. It's 100 cards, plus 3 parallels and 3 autographs per box, with a 1 in 4 chance to pull a superfractor. So, decided to get one. I figured why not. So, show you guys the odds right there. Check that out. But yeah, really excited for this. The cards look really nice. But let's get to it. 2018 Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. I believe you can get these on blowout cards. I think they're $280 though on blowout. But I got mine right from Topps when they put them up for sale and snagged myself one. So, alright, here we go. They're not in packs or anything. Go ahead and set this down. Alright, so here we go. These are really nice looking cards. Gregor Blanco, Aaron Slegers rookie, Alex Bregman. This one's stuck together. Luke Weaver, Future Stars, Seth Lugo, Arizona Diamondbacks team card, Koji Uehara, Dexter Fowler. They're pretty thick cards. Ian Happ, Mookie Betts, Reyes Maranta, Jordan Zimmerman, Kyle McGrath rookie, Brandon Finnegan, Aroldis Chapman, Lucas Giolito, Chris Sale, Kyle Farmer rookie, Michael Pineda, Dustin Pedroia, Asdrubal Cabrera, Dynamic Dodgers, Puig and Bellinger, Scott Kingery rookie, Dini Hechavarria, Zach Cosart, Washington Nationals team card, and Edwin Encarnacion. Paul DeJong, Cody Bellinger, League Leaders, Danny Santana, Mike Trout, Jesus Aguilar, Will Myers, Nelson Cruz, Felix Jorge rookie, Lorenzo Cain, Bradley Zimmer, David Freese, Jose De Leon, Dylan Peters rookie, Luis Santos rookie, Phil Hughes, Matt Davidson, Carlos Gomez, Masahiro Tanaka, Vince Vasquez, Kevin Pillar, Trevor Story, Josh Bell, Luis Severino, Cameron Rupp, Tim Anderson, Tyson Ross, Jarrell Cotton, Dominic Smith rookie, Raisel Iglesias, Mitch Haniger, and Mark Melanson. Jesse Chavez, Yangervis Solarte, Nick Pivetta, Antonio Sanzatella, Chris Davis, Michael Franco, Matt Kemp, Santiago Casilla, Jorge Polanco, Jason Vargas, Jesse Winker, Johnny Cueto, Franklin Barreto, Didi Gregorius, Alex Bregman, Adrian Gonzalez, Mikey Matuk, Alex Smith, Tim Beckham, Carlos Rodon, Tommy Pham, Victor Caratini, rookie, Wilson Ramos, Max Scherzer, sweet, League Leaders, Rafael Devers rookie, that's a nice one, David Robertson, Chance Sisco, Josh Tomlin, Danny Valencia, Brandon Geyer, Cody Allen, Sonny Gray, Richard Urena rookie, Tommy Joseph, Chris Archer, Alex Meyer, Nolan Arenado, Alright, a few more base cards, and then we got the autographs coming out. So, Danny Duffy, Marcelo Zuna, Victor Arano rookie, Jake Marisnick. Trying not to see what the parallels are. It's not very easy. These ones are stuck together. Why are you stuck together? Set that down. Come on. Oh wow, these are really stuck together. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that'll come off. Not sure what that's about. Interesting. Jake Marisnick, that'll come off. Not sure what that's about. Mike Leake. Alright, first autograph, Jack Flaherty. Rookie autograph. Next autograph is also a base. Oh, that's a nice one. Victor Robles autograph. Take that. Not bad. Victor Robles autograph. And behind it, oh, another Victor Robles autograph, but a green one. Okay. Well, if you're going to get doubles, that's a decent one to get doubles of. Sweet. Victor Robles, the base, Sapphire, not numbered. But then I've got the green here out of 99. Well, I think it's on 99. I'll have to check. So that's pretty cool. Didn't get a superfractor, so a little bummed about that. Superfractor would have been nice. The green is out of 50, so 15 out of 50. Not too bad. Cam Gallagher, rookie. And that's out of 10. That's a red out of 10. Sean Manaea. And the last one, Tom Kohler. So my reds weren't great. Reds were pretty bad. But they are out of 10. 8 out of 10 on the Kohler. 1 out of 10 on the Manaea. Or Manaea, however you pronounce that. And the Cam Gallagher rookie out of 10. So not too bad. Could have been better, could have been worse. Jack Flaherty, rookie autograph. These are really nice looking. Really wanted to pull a superfractor. Man, that would have been awesome. And then 2, the Victor Robles. A blue, the regular Sapphire, but then the green out of 50. So that's not bad. I'll take it. Could have been worse. But there you go. That is a look at 2018 Topps Chrome Sapphire. Really nice looking cards. Pretty thick. I'd say they're the same thickness as the as all the other color refractors from regular Topps Chrome. They're thicker than the standard base Chrome cards. They look like they're similar to the parallels. No huge rookies. Did get the Devers though, so that's pretty cool. No Tani or Acuna or anything like that, but Devers, and I do collect Max Scherzer, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, not bad. It is a pretty big set because it is from Series 1 and Series 2, so it's like 700 card set or something like that. So a lot of names, but yeah, they're really nice looking cards. I'm pretty happy about the Robles autos. I don't have any of him, so that'll be a nice addition. But hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next one.